Can't believe it's already August, but here we are, so let's do an evening garden tour. First up, here is some corn. This is a popcorn variety. I started it late, but it's catching up quick. I have some squash here as well. The cucumbers were off to a rough start, but I just found this giant cucumber today that was hiding from me. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it now. Oh, this one's kind of tough to get off. There we go. Look at that. The dried flower patch is doing okay. I sowed some more flower seeds in here the other day. Tomatoes are doing great. Here's a little sunflower starting to bloom, and here are some more tomatoes. My tomatoes are doing really well this year. It may even be my best tomato year. Then I've got this loofah plant going over this arch trellis. It is really loving this heat, and it's growing really fast, and I'm hoping this will be the year I actually get some loofah. Moving along, I have even more tomatoes. Here's some squash in this grow bag, and then I've got some peppers in here. Sunflowers are looking spent, but there's still some blooms, and the bees are still enjoying them. Here's some more blooms. The peppers in here are doing just okay. Some of them aren't doing super well. Mostly these were overwintered peppers from last year. I put baskets over the newer ones that I started late so that they can be protected from the sun a bit. But a lot of them will fruit and then they just kind of grow flat and they don't really have any shine to them. They have a rough texture. But maybe after I pick off the first flush, they will find their sparkle again. I've got more tomatoes over here. And then these tomatoes in this bed aren't doing so well. I had trouble with these exact varieties last year, but it also could be the location. But yeah, they're just not doing well, but that's okay. My other tomato plants are doing fine. I've got some cosmos in here. Some of them kind of fried up in the sun, so I did re-sow some more, and you can kind of see them popping out of the soil here. I have a long growing season, so hopefully I'll have some blooms in the fall. The pomegranate trees are looking nice. I am hoping that this is going to be the year for some fruit finally. My blueberry plants are doing okay. They've mostly finished fruiting except for this pink lemonade blueberry back there, but I have two of the same plant and they're the exact same age, and this one already finished fruiting a couple weeks ago, so it's kind of weird that this one's taking so long. I recently potted up two passion fruit plants. They've got a little bit of sun scald on them from the heat, but ever since I potted them up, they are doing so much better and they are growing really, really quickly. So hopefully I can get some fruit off these pretty soon too. I've got my citrus trees in containers that are just doing their thing. They're doing really well and pushing out some fruit, so hopefully I can pick some more pretty soon. And I'll probably be potting some of these up or putting them in the ground. And I've got some gorgeous zinnias over here. I have had trouble growing them in the past, so I am pleased with these. I should cut them though and put them in a vase so that the plants can branch out so I can get more blooms. I'll do that later. And here is my front yard okra. They aren't doing well. They look wilted right now because it's the end of the day and it's been hot, but they will bounce back. But they just aren't producing well for me. This is my fourth year trying them, and I am just coming to terms with the fact that okra probably won't grow well for me here since it needs to be hot and humid, which is probably why it's more of a southern thing. But hey, I tried. And that's pretty much it for this month. Thanks for joining me on this garden tour.